Tired of watching long YouTube videos just to get the main points? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to summarize any YouTube video in just seconds. Save time, learn faster, and get straight to the point. Imagine compressing a 30-minute video into just a few bullet points, effortlessly. Let's dive right in. What is ChatGPT? So, what exactly is ChatGPT? It's an advanced AI model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text based on the prompts you provide. But here's the cool part: you can use it to summarize YouTube videos in a matter of seconds. ChatGPT leverages machine learning to understand context, break down information, and deliver it back to you in simple, easy-to-read summaries. This means you can understand the key points of a video without watching the whole thing. Whether it's a tutorial, documentary, or interview, ChatGPT has you covered. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. How to get started? First, you'll need access to ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT on OpenAI's platform or with extensions like ChatGPT for YouTube that allow you to instantly summarize any video. The setup process is super simple, and within minutes, you can have the extension ready to go. This tool is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who wants to speed up their learning process. Best of all, it's compatible with almost any video on YouTube, regardless of its length or content. Now, let's walk through the steps to set it up. Step 1. Install the extension. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for ChatGPT for YouTube. Click Add to Chrome, and it will be added to your browser. The installation process is quick, and once it's done, you'll see a new button appear under YouTube videos. This extension links directly with ChatGPT, making it seamless to fetch summaries without even leaving YouTube. You don't have to copy URLs or jump between tabs, everything happens right there on the page. Step 2. Navigate to any YouTube video. Go to YouTube, pick any video, and you'll notice a small Summarize button right under the video. Click it, and ChatGPT will automatically generate a full summary for you. You can even customize the length of the summary. Want just the main points? Choose a brief summary. Need more detail? Go for the full version. It's all in your control. Practical use cases. Researching topics faster, instantly get the key points from long videos. Getting key points from long tutorials, understand hours of content in just a few seconds. Quickly understanding documentaries or interviews, skip the fluff and get straight to the message. Creating quick notes for study or presentations, perfect for students and educators alike. Staying updated on news and tech with just a click. And that's it. Now you can summarize YouTube videos in seconds with the power of ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more powerful tips. Here at the AI Hustle, we're all about finding smarter ways to get things done. Drop a comment if you want me to explore more AI tools, and let me know which video you want me to break down next. Thanks for watching the AI Hustle. If you love learning about AI tools that make life easier, don't forget to subscribe.